Okay, here we are. Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foldy Square in Lower Manhattan. Today, Wednesday, January 10th, 2024. We're covering the cases, and we're still on this case of the Russian oligarch versus Sotheby's. Yesterday, they got into testimony of the oligarch's right-hand man, talking about how he was wildly misled by the art dealer. After buying pieces from Sotheby's, he would then create fake paper trails. It's going to emerge in the trial, along with an employee of Sotheby's, to make it appear that these had been hard negotiated pieces with an actual outside buyer. Just managed to get this one for $47 million. Oh, great deal. Turns out he bought it for half that and then resold it. So the trial proceeds. Now today we were, until quite recently, hyped up for another oligarch case. And again, there's controversy about the use of the word oligarch. This one, not so much. Kerimov and his $300 million super yacht were subject to forfeiture, and there's going to be a hearing in front of relatively new Judge Ho in the building behind me, 40 Foldy. That's been canceled with sine die. We don't know when it's going to be done, but we're going to stay on it. These are how these things happen. Sometimes things show up without any notice at all in the magistrate's court, such as yesterday, when Miles Guo, also known as Kwok in the docket, showed up with no notice, apparently so his supporters wouldn't find out about it and bring their blue flags and whatnot. He was arraigned in the magistrate's court. We managed to be there. He pled not guilty. His co-defendant, Swang, also pled not guilty. He seemed relatively chipper. He said, "Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor." And he said, "Absolutely not guilty." So that's inching toward trial. He remains detained. And part of the case is about crypto, and so there is big actual non-criminal, but I guess you could say civil news today, in which the SEC is scheduled to approve one or more Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, including Bitcoin. They were sort of ordered to do so in the Grayscale case, but it's how is this going to affect crypto going forward and crypto prosecution? All I can say is we're on the case, and I can also say that the Sam Bankman-Fried Crypto Criminal book is available as an audiobook. Okay, we'll return to the UN and its corruption, but it's just increasingly irrelevant. Amid the slaughter, nothing is being done except the promotion of Antonio Guterres and his various sponsors. See innercitypress.com.